right, WMC, this is a video to find our final mini winner for the treasure box for tomorrow night. So we'll check the time, April 23rd at 6:41 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have April 23rd at 6:41 p.m. There is the list of our 13 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kyle. Spot 1 is our winner. So, Kyle, you will have the final spot in the treasure box for tomorrow night. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 23rd, 6:41 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.